Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making this soft, spongy and super healthy wheat flour dates cake, perfect for your tea time or a guilt-free dessert. First, take 200 grams of dates and remove the seeds. We are going to use just the soft pulpy part. Then soak the dates in 1 and 1/4 cup of warm milk, that is around 377 grams. Cover it with the lid and let it rest for 30 minutes to soften up beautifully. You will see how creamy and rich this becomes after soaking. Meanwhile, take a few walnuts, as much or as little you like, and chop them into small bits. They are going to give our cake a lovely bite and that earthy flavor later on. Now grease your baking tray nicely and line it with butter paper. This step saves you so much hassle later, makes demolding super easy. After 30 minutes, grind the soaked dates and milk into a smooth paste. To this, add half cup of oil, ghee, melted butter or olive oil, whatever you prefer, and mix it very well. Next, sieve together 1 cup, that is approximately 130 grams of wheat flour. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Add this gradually to your dates mixture and stir continuously to remove all the lumps. No sugar needed here, the sweetness from dates is more than enough, and this is the consistency you want. Smooth, thick but easy to pour. Now divide the batter into 2 equal parts. We are going for that classic two-tone look, simple but so pretty when you cut into it. In one part, add 10 grams, that is 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix well. In the other part, add 50 grams of raisin and stir it in. They'll add tiny bursts of sweetness and a nice chewy texture throughout the cake. Now it is time to start the layering. First, pour half of the raisin batter into the tray and spread it out evenly. Then gently pour in half of the cocoa batter over it. Try not to mix them too much, just let it sit beautifully on top. Now repeat the same and add the remaining raisin batter followed by the rest of cocoa batter. Take a skewer or toothpick and gently drag it through the batter in zigzag motions. This pattern blends the layers and gives it just a lovely swirl effect. Tap the tray gently on the counter to even it out and remove any air bubbles. Now sprinkle the chopped walnuts generously on top. They'll roast while baking and give a top generous nutty crunch. Add a few choco chips too for extra indulgence. It already looks so festive and tempting even before going into the oven. Now it's time to bake. Place it in a preheated OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes using only the lower rod. Keep an eye towards the end. When your skewer comes out clean with no liquid, it's done. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Now place a plate on top of the tray and carefully flip it upside down. Give it a gentle tap and the cake should come out easily. Just look at the base. It's cooked thoroughly perfectly. No soggy bottoms here. Now gently peel off the butter paper. So satisfying, right? Everything has come together so well. Flip it again so it slits the right side up, and now let's slice in. Look at that. You can see clearly the layers of dark cocoa and light raisin batter. And it's so soft, airy and spongy, bounces right back when pressed. This is honestly hard to believe. It is a healthy cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. We will be back soon with another cozy, delicious recipe.